You are listening to the National Weather Service forecast from the Tulsa metropolitan area in Oklahoma. Hazardous weather is possible. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for the entire metro area. At 6:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was rotating, capable of producing a tornado. Location: near Tulsa. Source: Doppler radar confirmed rotation. Impact: flying debris is dangerous to those that are caught without shelter. Damage: trees can get uprooted. Light objects can get blown around in circles. Move to the lowest floor of a sturdy building, including the basement. If you don't have a basement, get inside the most interior room in a sturdy building and protect yourself with a helmet and sturdy boots. Take shelter now.